There are the H visas, H-1B, which is white collar visa workers working mostly in knowledge jobs. It's overwhelmingly employees who are working for labor brokers in the information technology sector, but also many other jobs like accounting, teaching, nursing, and so on. 190,000 visas last year. Seasonal agricultural workers and seasonal non-agricultural or seasonal non-farm jobs, the H-2B program. All of these H visa programs, the visas are approved on the basis of a labor condition attestation. It's called an LCA, in which the employer has to make certain promises to the government that, first of all, that they're paying a certain wage to the workers and that they're not disadvantaging U.S. workers or taking away job opportunities, or that U.S. workers know about these job openings. And the requirements are a little bit different for each one of these programs. But the idea here, what they have in common, is that the approval for these visas was based on an economy that is no longer with us. Conditions have changed completely. So there's a real question as to whether these programs should be allowed to continue in the near future, given the fact that we have so many Americans and legal immigrants out of work. And so what we're recommending that the Trump administration do is suspend all of the new arrivals and then open up these labor condition attestations and look at them again and evaluate the approval of these visas in light of our current labor market situation. And at a minimum, only allow the most highly paid workers, or the workers in which the employer can still demonstrate that this is not going to disadvantage U.S. workers.